Dr. Nsenga, we're speaking to you, of course, because you are an epidemiologist. You're also an emergency response specialist. Yours is to coordinate the World Health Organization's Africa response to COVID-19. We are now, of course, talking about vaccinating, the entire human population as much as we can to achieve a place where we get herd immunity. Many of the richer countries, the wealthier countries, have been first in line as far as the queue to vaccinate their populations is concerned. Are you worried? Are you concerned at all that Africa, in a way, will be an afterthought when it comes to all of this?
Of course, when we say not only about vaccine, you might remember, Bongani, that even for other supply like PPE and oxygen concentrator and other supply and equipment, at the beginning there was kind of a scramble, richer countries trying to get all the supply around the world, which created at some point some distortion in the market, the global market of those supplies and equipment. That also goes for vaccine, which some called nationalized vaccine. So it's a concern that countries or poor countries or countries with little diffusion power globally might be left out. Fortunately, this is why WHO, my organization, and through global partnership with other partners, including Gavi, put in place what we call the COVAX, so that countries, poor countries and low and middle income countries are not left behind. The idea, the whole philosophy of that mechanism is equity, meaning all countries should get access to vaccine at the same time as much as possible. And this is what my organization is really trying hard to put in place. And thankfully, also, we thank the African Union under the President Cyril Ramaphosa leadership, coming together as the region, putting this African mechanism for them to bargain together as a region, as an entity. I think Africa, at the end of the day, yes, there will be distortion, but we are battling hard to get the equity so that Africa can get access to vaccine at the same time as other regions and the other countries.
Current events, developing stories,
tough questions.
Your voice making a difference.
This is Breakfast with Bongani Bingwa.